How to transfer specific video to Backblaze B2 on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific video to Backblaze B2 on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down here and click transfer a copy of your information, and then next, and now just go down, click Backblaze B2 and then go to photos and click none, and now just go to videos and click specific video and then just select any video here and click next and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Backblaze B2, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video.